Hello everyone, Karan from India. I completed my bachelor from India. I also completed pharmaceutical MBA from National Institute. I qualified two national exam, G and NAPER. Recently I give the KPS exam and I qualified that exam, paper 1 and paper 2. So I am here to sharing my strategy with you all. First of all, what is the key to pass any exam is to understand that exam. So let's come to the point. Which are the most important subject for the KPS? First one is pharmacology, and second pharmacology and therapeutics. Second is the pharmaceutics and chemistry. Pharmacology is covers major portion, 70% portion, and pharmaceutics and chemistry covers 30% portion. In pharmacology, what are the key topics to be covered is autonomic nervous system, cardiovascular system, central nervous system, chemotherapy, and endocrine. Lipton Court will be the important book, and I can in the upcoming days I can provide you each lecture for each and every topic, and we can study together and we can pass the exam. Don't worry, I will be there for you. So in the ANS is the basic for the pharmacology. If you understand ANS, trust me, you can easily understand complete pharmacology, and it's very interesting. You love that. In the ANS we have sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. It's a heightened system. Parasympathetic nervous system is the rest, digest, and eliminate. In sympathetic we have adrenergic, anti-adrenergic system. Parasympathetic we have cholinergic, anticholinergic system. Then cardiovascular system. In cardiovascular system we have hypertension, congestive heart failure, angina, and arrhythmia. For central nervous system we have sedative hypnotics, epilepsy, Parkinson, Alzheimer, and antipsychotic is the important topic. General anesthetic is also important, and local anesthetics are important. For chemotherapy, antibiotic is most important. Most of the time from the antibiotic question will be there. Antiviral, antifungal, antihelminthic, anti-cancer, these are the important topic in the chemotherapy. For endocrine we have anti-diabetic. In diabetes we have type 1, type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is important, and anti-thyroid, etc. Small topics are there also. So few important points are to memorize. We have to memorize this. For cytochrome enzyme, some 3 to 4 questions will be always be there from this topic. Drug interaction, doses, vaccines, we have the conjugated, non-conjugated, live attenuated vaccines. And then we have to go with the second point. The second important subject is pharmaceutics, and in the pharmaceutics calculation is the most important part, and other topics are also important. Major one is calculation. Logan file is most important for the calculation. If you cover the Logan file, then you can cover most of the concepts. APEC file will be there for the practice. CPR chapter 1 and chapter 5 is important. In the Logan file there is a different type of questions. Millimole questions will be there, dilutions question will be there, and I can in the upcoming days I can explain you each and every question. We can discuss all the questions, complete Logan file. Other topics which are important, which are the minor topics like tablet, emulsion, suspension, few questions will be there from this topics as well. So the chemistry is the third important part. In the chemistry the major portion comes from the structure. Basic rings are important. Structures in the ALAS file there is some structures are given which is most important. SAR, we can also study the SAR basics is important to, not in the deep, but we have to understand the basics. Stereochemistry basic is important. Organic chemistry basic is important. Next one is, someone asked me now what is the key to pass KPS, then I can definitely go with the recalls. Recall are the most important part, and we have to go for the recalls, like it is the key to pass KPS. A last file is important for the recalls. Hamid, Shem and other files are important. There's a one file called organized recall. In the organized recall, what is strategy to study this file is first go with the topic and then go for the questions in this file. And next important thing is to cover all the previous year papers from July 2023, this is the recent one, to 2018. We need to cover each and every paper, and there is a total 17 papers for the recalls. And in like these are the years. Like I think this is the sufficient, these 70 papers are sufficient. If someone want to go more than that, he or she can do that. And how can I provide the lectures? I can provide the lectures in the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group link will be in the description. You can ping me at this number anytime. I can add you in that group. And November, KPS November will be my target for like every my friend, each of you can pass that exam. It's not so difficult, we can do together, no problem, I can help you. So this is my strategy, to pass KPS. I think this will also work for you. Thank you everyone, thank you for your time.